Welcome to Moana Vibes Only. My name is Afie, and in this video, I'm sharing my Hong Kong Disneyland pin haul. I'll show you each pin up close, talk about the designs, and share prices so you can compare them with similar pins from other Disney parks and online Disney stores in your region. I'll also be opening these mystery packs at the end, but here's a sneak peek of what's inside, and here's the Stitch one. So if you're a Disney pin collector or you're planning a trip to Hong Kong Disneyland, then I hope this video can help you to decide which pins are worth adding to your collection. Okay, let's get started. Full disclosure, I didn't go to Hong Kong Disneyland, but my friend was there recently and he picked up a bunch of pins for me, and this is the first one. I'm trying to angle this so you can view it properly, but yes, this is the Snow White pin from the monthly Happily Ever After series that's happening this year. It's actually a slider pin. The 7 dwarfs come out when you pull them from the side here. They're kind of tricky to come out. I can't explain it because they don't come out fully. It's just, I guess, the mechanics of this pin. But yeah, this is how it looks like. This goes for 159 Hong Kong dollars, and this one came out in January, and right now they have the April one, which is the Beauty and the Beast pin. I have the other two here. I'll show you in a bit. I can also show you the back of the pin. Here is the back of the pin. I know they are also on the Disney store in the US, the UK, I think EU as well, and yeah, they sell out really fast. But when my friend went in March, late March, there are still a bunch of them. I think he got from the archive shop. Yeah, they still have all 3 pins. That's how I got this Snow White one. And we also have Tiana and Prince Naveen. This is the February pin. Of course, we have the cast at the back as well. We have Tiana's mom, Charlotte, Mama Odie, and Louis the alligator. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Also 159, and the last one in the series that I have on hand right now is the Lion King one, which came out in March. We have Simba and Nala, and we also have Sorabi, Rafiki, and Timon and Pumbaa. I love this one so much. Lion King is one of my favorite movies, and yeah, this looks so good. So this is what they all look like together. I think one of my friends is going to Hong Kong Disneyland in June, so I might get her to help me buy the rest of the pins, whatever they have there. I don't think I'll be completing all 12 pins for this series, but I just want the ones that I want, you know what I mean? I also got the 2025 pin with the Fab 5 on it, and this is a spinner pin. I wanted this specifically because it's just to mark the start of the year and also the start of my pin collection, because I am very new to Disney pin collecting. I actually started in December on my birthday when I went to Comic-Con in Singapore, and the Disney store had a pop-up, so I bought a few pins and it pretty much started from there. And this has the blue tag on it, and it is actually 109 Hong Kong dollars. I also got this really cute Zootopia pin. I love that the backdrop of this pin is shaped as the police officer badge that Judy is putting on Nick right now. I love it, and I love Zootopia. I know I should go to Shanghai Disneyland, and I think when I come back from there, I'll have like a huge collection of Zootopia pins, because Zootopia is huge in Shanghai Disneyland. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you the price, because there's no price. I don't know, I can't remember how much this cost. My friend got me the receipt, but it's gone now. But I would imagine it's 109 as well. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Okay, moving on. The next pin we have is from Up. We have a Russell here and Kevin. I love this slider pin. I know the Disney Store Asia had them some time back, but I missed out because I haven't started my pin collection, so I had to get this one. And I'm glad my friend got this for me. And the surprise! I honestly also cannot remember how much this cost, but I think it'll be more expensive than the Zootopia one because this is a slider pin. Anyway, I love this one. I'm glad I got this finally. And I also got this pin from Moana too. We have Moana, her little sis, Simea, I think, and Hehe and Pua. I love pins that feature some of the cast or even the full cast. They just look so good together. Just so you know, one of the main reasons I started collecting pins is because I love the Disney artwork, and this is one of the ways, you know, I can actually have them physically in my hands. So yeah, I really love this pin. The colors, the designs, they just look so good. And this is the blue price tag, which is 109 Hong Kong dollars. So I actually have another friend who went to Hong Kong Disneyland around the same time I decided to start my Disney pin collection, and she's also a Disney fan, and so she got me a Moana pin. She knows I love Moana, and yeah, this is another gorgeous pin from the movie. It shows Moana and her sailboat. Is that what they're called in the movies? And this is the red price tag, which let me check right now. So this is 89 Hong Kong dollars. She also got me this pin of Maylin as a red panda. She knows I love turning red and her tail moves. Hold on, let me show you. This is so cute. I love Mimi. And this is also the red price tag, which is 89 Hong Kong dollars. And we have one more pin before we open the mystery packs. We have a classic Hong Kong Disneyland pin. I think this makes a great souvenir, not for others, but also for yourself. I think it'll be great to put this pin along with your other Hong Kong Disneyland pins, just for the memories, you know. Let's open up this Stitch mystery pins first. I really like the ones with Lilo, but let's see what we'll get. Let's open this up together. Oh my gosh, why am I nervous? Okay. I think this is the one with Lilo, Stitch, and the record play. Okay, wait. The struggle is real. Okay, let's see. Okay. I'll show you guys first. Ready? Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. Yes, we got one with Stitch and Lilo, and they're hugging. I love this. Okay, I really want the one with the record player now. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see which one we get. This is the second one in the box. We got Stitch, I guess, spilling juice all over himself. That is cute. That is very cute. We don't have Lilo on this pin, but maybe we can trade. Here's the second box. Third pin. We got another one. It's the same one. What? Last pin. Here we go. We got another Stitch. Here is Stitch with the ukulele. Okay, I'm going to have to trade. Maybe I might trade for these two, and I guess the one with Lilo as well. This is one of the reasons why I didn't want to buy too many mystery pins, because I live in Singapore. First of all, there's no Disneyland here, and Disney pin collecting is not really a thing here. I don't see a really big active Disney pin collectors community here in Singapore. Maybe it will change one day, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, here we have two of the Pixie Plush mystery packs. I know these are really popular, and I can understand why, because the designs are really adorable, and it's the reason why I wanted them. Let me show you the back. Here we have all the possibilities, and this costs 249 Hong Kong dollars, which is a little bit cheaper than the Disney parks in the US and also the online Disney stores. Let me show you the pins that I really want. I really want Coda from Brother Bear. It's rare to have a Brother Bear pin. And also look at Miko, he's so cute, and Scrum and Mushu and Morph from Treasure Planet, another rare pin to have. And also we have Ray and Sebastian. Look at Sebastian, so cute. And Gus Gus and Bolt. And we have Pumbaa and Abu. Oh my gosh, so cute. And of course we have Pascal, and this is Mochi from Big Hero 6. And then we have Pegasus. Look at Pegasus. And also here we have Chicken Little. Like seriously, have you come across Chicken Little pins? And also here we have Oliver from Oliver and Company. Oh my gosh, I want them all. I want them all. Okay, let's open this. First one, again, I only got 2 packs because I didn't want to overspend. And yeah, anyway, my other friend is going back to Hong Kong Disneyland and we can always get more. Okay, first spin, 3, 2, 1. Pegasus! I love him so much. I actually have a Hercules and Pegasus pin. I'll show you guys in another video, but yep, look at him. He's so cute. Okay, there's 5 in this pack, so let's hope we don't get duplicates. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. No way! No way! We got Coda from Brother Bear. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Okay, third pin. 3, 2, 1. Sebastian! Look, the pin stopper is making him look like he has a Mickey ears. That is very, very adorable. Okay, fourth pin. 3, 2, 1. No way, we got Oliver from Oliver and Company. Ah! Okay, last pin. Ready? 3, 2, 1. No. No way, we got Morph. Oh my god, I feel so lucky. I feel so lucky. Okay, we got one more pack. Hopefully no duplicates, but yeah, let's see if we can get as lucky. Okay. Whew, okay. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Pegasus. Oh, no way. No way. This is a duplicate pack. Oh my god, please. Oh my god. I can't get this that easily. Okay. 3, 2, 1. No. Please don't tell me this is a duplicate pack. Oh my god. I thought I was lucky. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Dude. Okay, please. Please don't let this be a duplicate pack. Okay. Fourth and second last spin. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Guys, guys. So cute. Okay, our last pin. The last spin to end this video. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ray! That is really cute. Oh my gosh. We didn't get Mochi, but it's okay. It's okay. We got Ray. If only we didn't have like, what, 3 duplicates? Okay, I have to trade them off one way or another. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I hope you've enjoyed my Hong Kong Disneyland pin haul. I'll be posting more Disney pin mail videos regularly, and I'm also going on the Disney Adventure Cruise in January, so do subscribe and stay tuned. In the meantime, you can watch my other Disney videos, and I'll see you in the next one.